So hello everybody. Thank you for the 202 subscribers, and I hope you will watch our videos of my GF and solo vlogs and unboxing series. So thank you for subscribing and liking my videos and also watching our videos. So ngayon ako lang mag-isa, yung girlfriend ko nasa bahay lang. So soon pupuntahan natin siya, and let's make another video. So thank you guys for subscribing, and we are celebrating 200 subscribers on this channel. So let's go. So right now I'm gonna make a small gift for my GF, which is a love letter. I will give it to her on surprise for her on our celebration of our relationships this coming August 9th. So if you're watching this, love, surprise. So let's go. So now I'm done writing the letter. So Sango, if you seeing this, I hope you like this video, and I will give this to you on August 9th. Love you always. So good morning everyone. So it's a new day, and today is our celebration of our relationship. So it's August 9th, and we will go to Sango's house. So let's go guys. So habang papunta ako sa bahay nila Sango, so enjoy the scenery guys. Let's go. Right now, nandito na po ako sa Basak, Tamiya. So let's go. So right now, I'm walking to her house, and since papunta pa lang yung girlfriend ko sa bahay nila kasi galing siya sa tindahan ng mama niya kasi pinabantay siya dun. Kaya let's surprise her. So update guys, nasa Mercado Opo na po yung si Sango, kaya hihintayin na lang muna natin siya sa bahay. Tambay muna tayo doon. So nandito na po ako ngayon sa bahay nila Jessa, at nandito na po siya, naligo ng saglit. So let's meet her. Guys, nandito na po si Sango, bagong ligo. Annyeong! Annyeong everyone! Welcome to our channel. So, for today's video, anong gagawin natin? Magmumukbang tayo na Post na. So hello guys, it's 3 p.m. in the afternoon. So si Sango may give sa akin na shorts. Wow. Ito po. Tatlo yan. Ito, sinuot ko lang. Ha? Thank you. So nandito kami kumain sa Angel's Feet Sizzling Basak, which is 99 pesos only, and yung mga pagkain nila is only rice and only gravy. So nakikita niyo man ay madami na rin tao dito kaya only siya guys ang only gravy ug only rice diri lami kayo o tara ang uyab sige sarap
Busog na si Bobby. Ginuktok na siya. Katubo na siya.
na po kami kumain sa Sizzling Bazak na only gravy and
Only
rice.
gravy, only all.
Wow, amazing right? So, nandito kami ngayon sa Mactan New Town Center.
Mactan
So,
Town Center.
Ay, Mactan Town Center pala. Sorry. My fault. So, tatambay muna lang kami dito kasi magpapahilis kami. Ala,
Ano lang pag Tagalog? Papahilis si guys.
That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you like and subscribe to our channel. And uwi na po kami. Goodbye. Hey, ko na mo. Hey.